Yeah, well, I mean, because I had Verizon, so I got
What?
350 in credit, so I bought stuff from Verizon.
Your friend?
No, I bought stuff from Verizon. What do you mean, my friend?
That's a new time. That's a big
No, those are my chargers.
It is another one. Other box. Phone case.
I got 2 of those that came in from Verizon. Why? That's my phone case for my Pixel 6.
That's a Pickle 6? Pixel. What I have.
My Pickle 6?
Pickle. Oh god. Don't pop it.
Oh yeah, remember that part of the movie. Anyways, yeah. So because of the promo that Verizon has if you bring your own device, so I got the 350 in Verizon credit. So I ordered a 30-watt USB charger for both my Pixel 6s that I have. You know, one for the missus, one for me. And then I got an official case
Pixel.
for it.
The Pixel.
Yep. Anyways, I don't need to unbox these, like unbox them because yeah, y'all know what's inside, but I just wanted to share that with everybody.